What's up guys, welcome to another video. This video I'm gonna show you guys how you can set up your Roblox accounts on your mobile, your iPhone. This is very easy guys. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is download Roblox on your mobile if you don't already have it. So you're gonna have to go into your app store and search for Roblox. And you gotta click on the download button, and when you're done with that, this is already downloaded on my iPhone, so I'm gonna click on open. So when this opens, you can sign up or you can either log in. So right here I'm already logged in. I have an account. If you don't have an account, all you gotta do is click on sign up and you put in your date of birth and all that and sign up. But if you already have an account, just log in. So right here you can play any of this. All you gotta do is just click on it. Once you download the app, you can play any of this and you log in. You just click on any of this and click on the green button at the bottom of the screen. Just click on the green button and you can play. As you can see right here, well, I don't want to play right now, so I'm just gonna go back. So that's how you can play any of this. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can customize your avatar. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, you can see your avatar at the bottom of the screen. Just click on it. And now you can customize your avatar and you can shop for more. You can buy more stuff for your avatar, or you can just customize. Click on customize and you can set up the head and body and all that. So this is how you can customize your avatar in this Roblox app. So let's go back. And now the next thing is, if you want to chat on your Roblox, like your messages, any messages you get, where you can find your messages are at the bottom of the screen. You can see the three dots at the bottom of the screen. Just click on it, and right here you can see your profile, your friends. If you want to see your friends list, all you gotta do is click on friends, and right here you can see your friend list, or you can just search for friends right here. But if you don't want to search for friends, you can see your friends list here. So let's go back. And right here you can click on profile and you can view your profile right here. You can view your profile right here. So what you gotta do is, if you want to set up your about, you can write about yourself and make sure you click on save. Okay, just make sure you click on save, and as you can see, it's already saved. So this is what your avatar is currently wearing. So you can customize that. So the next thing is groups. If you want to check on groups, if you want to join a group, so what you gotta do is go into the group section and select any group you want to join and just click on join. That's very easy. So example, if I want to join like Rumble Studios, just click on it and click on join group. That's what you gotta do. Click on join group. So I'm gonna go back. And right now, the next thing I'm gonna show you guys is messages. If you want to check your messages, just click on messages. And right here, you can see your inbox, sent, news. As you can see right here, welcome to Roblox. So that is how you can, set up your profile on Roblox. So you can also go into settings and click on account info. And you can see your info right here. Select your gender, and if you're male or female, light. If you want to set this to dark, you can do it, and just click on save. And as you can see, so the next thing is I'm gonna change this back to light. So the next thing is, if you want to add your Facebook, you can easily do this right here. Just click on Facebook and add your link, or maybe it's your Twitter or YouTube. You can add any of this and Also, the next thing you're gonna have to do is, if you want this to be visible to others, you can click on, at the bottom of the screen you can see visible to. Just click on friends, or friends and users, or friends I follow, and make sure you click on save at the bottom of the screen. Click on save, so you can find your display name, your username, your number, and your email and all that. So this is very easy. This is how you can set up your profile, your account info on the Roblox app. And also you can go into the securities and set up your two-factor authentication and all that, and also go into privacy. Okay, let's go into privacy. And right here you can set up who can message me, set up on friends or just everyone who can chat with me in app. You can set it up. So this is how you can make sure you add your phone number to your account. Make sure you add your phone number and your email. So who can invite me to private servers. So this is basically how you can set up your Roblox account on your mobile. It's very simple. Also, when you're logged in or you signed up, make sure you can customize your avatar, and you can play any of this. You can play any of that. You gotta do is just click on it and click on the green button at the bottom of the screen. Click on it and you can play any of this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and click on the notification button. Thanks for watching.